write the topic name, self-employment, a solution to unemployment. Self-employment, a solution to unemployment in India. Self-employment, a solution to unemployment in India. So I give you a couple of seconds to think of how you introduce, and then we start. Self-employment, a solution to unemployment in India. Okay, I think Ram, you can proceed now.
सर अगर लैग करेगा तो बता देना, मैं वीडियो बंद कर दूंगा. Good evening everyone. My name is Ram Kishan Yadav. I am glad to start our discussion on the GT topic, that is self-employment is a solution to unemployment in India or not. In my opinion, this topic is a relevant topic and also the most important topic in the life of a college going student that are passing out from here. So I believe that self-employment is important because everyone want to be self-reliant, that they does not fully depend on other things, but it is desirable in the country such where huge populations are present. Also we need team working, that is working together to accomplish a job. Like many businessmen, to start a business, we need more people who can work together to achieve a goal or to achieve the desire. Sir, hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
सर एक्सटेम्पो कर रहे कि सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देना है? मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ.
इंट्रोडक्शन,
सिर्फ ओनली इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. हाँ. So we can divide our discussion in the topic that first, is it necessary that everyone should be a self-employment person or not? And second, what is the need? What is the today world's need that is that should be done? So with this, I want to open the house for discussion. Thank you.
Okay, I think Devendra can proceed now.
Good evening, friends. Our today's topic of discussion is self-employment, a solution to unemployment in India. Friends, in my belief, the today's topic of discussion is of current relevance, and it is fruitful discussion. Or it will be going to be fruitful discussion as well. The topic given to us, in my belief, can be like a self-employment. We can learn it from our past as well as from our present also. So we can have two dimensions that for past I'm talking about even before the invasion of English people, or what was our self-employment and how we were doing. We were self-employed. That was first dimension. Second one is the present need and how to learn from this. So we can have two dimensions to learn how to be self-employed. And I know that we all have a lot to discuss, and it is going to be a fruitful discussion as well.
Okay, Shubham.
Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me opportunity to start the topic. So today's topic is self-employment, which is a solution to the unemployment in India. So as we know that India is a developing country, and there are various opportunity for the youth to start their self-employment, and we know that there is not enough job in a government sector or to fulfill all the people employed. So I think there are enough startups, and there are enough opportunities for young people or engineer, or we can say any graduate, to start their self-employment, as India is a developing country. So in this way, I would like to open the forum for the discussion.
Okay, so I think you people have introduced now, and we enter into second phase where you have to talk among yourself, talk about the topic, and try to get some kind of relevant points for the conclusion. So I open the house for discussion among all of you now.
Friends, the topic given to us is of unemployment and self-employment. The reason that why we are calling it to be unemployment, because now we are more focusing towards job, and we forgot that how before independence or before the invasion of English people, we were self-employed. Even before having the jobs, we were self-employed. Like we were having the source of income with the help of agriculture. We were
Yes,
having
but we are only in self in agriculture business only. We are self-employed, but we are not employed in various other businesses like developing a business, starting a new model, something. So we are not in that. We only just
we were in textile
majority
business
of
also. Yeah,
majority of our
we were, yes, now also that's what I'm talking, that in past also we have to learn, and from present also. From past we can learn about our textile industry. There were textile industry also. There were many things from which we were self-employed, not only
yes.
agriculture.
But after the industrial revolution, the things change. That we have lost many of the textile because we made handmade saris or clothes that are made by hand. But now after the industrial revolution, all things are made at cheap rate, and at the British, they just take our raw materials and produce in the British factories and sell them.
Yes, yes, correct.
Hello. Yeah. Yes, there is a tendency in today's world that government is giving the ration. So they think that government should give the employment also. So today's generation is fully dependent on government. So the government will not give everything to us. So we have to create our self-employment for us. Okay.
Yes, that is today need, but government can help us to reach that place, like providing education, the quality education, so that we can become self-employed, or we can able to do service in other organization also.
Government is
The
giving
need for self-employment is like we should have a skill which can be developed with the education, of course, or with the help of our surrounding also, because there are many people who are technicians who are doing their jobs like fitting electricity. In my surrounding also, I see many people who are not that much educated, but they are earning more than the educated people. So there is a need of skill, and with that skill they can be self-employed, and there is no need of any employment or permanent employment or contract employment. They can do their own business.
But to run a big MNC like multinational company, we need lots of people to work together so that they can achieve their goal. So if everyone start doing self-employment, or if everyone is in their own businesses, then how we can make a huge impact in the economy, like to start a company, like NMDC started their own. So we need also people who can do the job for others also.
See, to boost the economy of the country. Hello.
See, everyone is doing their job, and everyone is contributing to the GDP, whether it's a homemaker or as well as who is technician. So we can't say that a technician is not doing anything for the GDP and economy. And of course, there is a need that we should work in a collaborative manner. But the question is not that why we are moving towards self-employment. The question is that why we are moving towards self-employment. It's not like that we all have to go to be self-employed. It's like unemployment is increasing in our country, so there is a need of self-employment.
Yes. Oh, because of the population, India's population is growing at faster rate.
Actually, the same employment give more opportunity to increase the GDP of the country, actually. So
yes, exactly.
Like many people now start, also middle class people start going in share market. They start using app like Zerodha, Grown app to invest in a share market. But I think before investing in share market, we should learn something, that how this share market works, so that no one can lose their money in this.
Friends, now to discuss the self-employment, we have to divide the sectors like in which we can do self-employment. Whether it's being media, now people are going with in their own home, and now they're YouTube and with all these social media. Now they are doing for media. Yes, and now if we talk about technology, now we can learn and teach other people online education. These are the
Yes,
some
this thing
important
is boomed
parameters.
in COVID pandemic. All these things. We have done online study during the
Online study.
preparation of GATE exam. Also, I like to mention an example of a tea seller. He was an MBA aspirant, but he could not make to IIM Ahmedabad. So he started selling tea outside IIM. So from there he start this startup, and his startups get a funding of 1 crore rupees also. And now his earning is much more than a normal educated people who are coming out of from IIMs.
Adding
So
to
this
your
is one of the
example,
examples.
there is one more example from my city also, from Riva. There is a brand name now, it became Chai Sutta Bar. He was the
Yes,
person
yes.
who
I
was doing
listen.
preparation for IAS. He is my neighbor only. So
Okay.
now the thing is that this self-employment is giving a boom to the people who can't be employed. So there is very much chances in getting employment with the help of self-employment only.
Yes,
Yeah.
as Devendra said that same employment, we can talk about the technology or society. So same employment should be such that it would not harm other people in a large
Yeah.
scale. So it should such that it will help people to grow, other people also to grow. So it should not be like that. I am simple employed. I am selling the liquor on and all illegally. It should not be same employed.
Uh,
Actually,
Correctly.
that's what I think.
So there should be a legal
Also,
method
we
for
have society
self-employment also.
pressure here. We have society pressure that we should get a government job only. We should not think of private job. Private jobs are not good, or self-employment is also not good, because how can you get money? Means how can you get the investment to start a business? So the society pressure is so much that we never think of this side, that we can self start a business, and we only think that we should get first a government job, then we will think of something else. So
But
this is also
nowadays,
mindset of
Now,
today's.
because of COVID, I understand that now people started understanding the value of self-employment. The
Yes.
migrant workers, when moved from
Hmm.
Mumbai or big uh, cities to their villages, they understood the importance of self-employment. They started doing irrigation and plowing and sowing the seeds to their fields. So
even the employed people are nowadays leaving their job because they don't want to work under some boss. So they are quitting the job. Many people are quitting the job to get same employed, and they
because
have
of this
started their.
bulk of population, now we are having only one thing, that we are being offered to be as cheap laborers, cheap engineers,
Yes.
cheap MBAs, and
Yes. Yes.
nothing
Yeah.
else. It would be better if we provide jobs to the others also.
Yeah.
Then
Right.
only we can sort out from this
Hmm.
situation. So this is really a great move if our youth and although the elder ones also start self-employment and give jobs to the population.
uh, I think we can discuss that how we can what was the thinking of a self-employment person, means that to start a business, how we should think. We can discuss on that also, because everyone mind is not a startup, means everyone mind cannot think that we can start a business from
Yes.
now. So in our education system, I think in our education system, we should introduce some subjects of business, so that if a person has a business mindset, he can get into that and start their career also. But
Yeah,
we,
definitely.
But not everyone can start their own business. So instead, if few people start business, after seeing them, another will start. But the thing is, they will give jobs to the other. So
yes,
in a way, we are eradicating the unemployment.
Actually,
yes,
to get success in the same employment, there should be a patience because you have to fail many times to get our work correctly. So there should be patience in a person to start their business or get same employed. That's what I
yes.
think.
Also I heard that out of every 10 startup, 8 startups failed. Only 2 startups are able to get investment and
Yeah,
run their business successfully. This is because we don't have that much idea that how to we take investment from others and how to start a business. So
Friends, I am
in
thinking that now we are only thinking about startups only, but self-employment is not startups. Like having a small shop of kirana, grocery is also a self-employment.
That's also startup, no?
We should not misunderstand.
We can.
Yeah, you can see it to be startup, but it's a rational way and conventional way of self-employment.
What I think is government should give some courses to get employed, to make a unable person to get self-employed. There should be some procedure in a government sector.
There are some
also.
Skill India initiatives
Yes.
by our honorable PM also, by which we can get skill. There are ways, but we have to initiate these things, and now we are going towards self-employment. We are moving, and in future there will be jobs with the help of self-employment also.
Yeah, but we have to take out the feeling of failure from people's minds. So there are many people who get fearful. They will not get succeed in their self-employment. So
it will happen only if they will see that, like I saw some person getting to such a brand name and his own company. In the same way, if people will see, then definitely they will move towards self-employment.
Yes. There will be also some opportunity for other people to get employed when we start some our business. So there will be a job opportunity for others also.
Hello.
Hello. हो गया कि start चालू है?
Okay. So there are in industries also there is a need of self-employment. Like if there was a need of any raw material or anything, then instead of searching for vendors, we can initiate our own business in that sense also.
Yes, local business. We can say it as a local business.
From waste also we can start our employment. The waste from the industries are very useful in terms of business. Like the mining giant Vedanta CEO's chairman started it from the waste only. So there are many examples of startup self-employment in our country also.
Yes, yes, we can do. Means we can create more self-employment by like as you mentioned that opening a small shop, kirana shop, or opening some small shops. But this will not help you to gain. This will not help you to earn a standard livelihood. Means you can earn something, but you can earn some money, but you cannot get a standard livelihood that you think to be lived off.
Friends, if we talk about Javed Habib, he started from a small shop only, and a small hair cutting.
Yes, but every Indian shop cannot be make its own brand now. We have to think of that also.
It's better to be unemployed to get some job and earn our livelihood.
Correct. If we are unemployed, it would be better that if we start earning something, and with time, maybe if we do our best, we can get much better. Instead of getting a job and earning a handsome amount of salary, maybe we could increase our salary with this and much more.
Also in farming, farming is the same employment. So we can use recent technologies to improve the farming and improve the quality of farmers to be self-employed. So that's what I think.
Yes, there is an example of Madhya Pradesh that's grown a special type of mango whose market value, whose international market value is 2.7 lakh per kg.
Yes,
so that's that types of cropping is also, that type of growing mangoes is also useful.
Yeah, I also heard that news that the couple started doing it in their home only.
Yes.
Yes, we can use the technology to work.
Yes, with the help of technology, we can improve our income. We can improve our income more.
Yes. And if we see our environment from there also, we can learn the things that how we can be self-employed. that like in environment also there are many things which we can use to make our to be self-employed. That is the waste for the nature but useful for us. We can find it out. There are many examples in that sense also.
So we can also.
Okay, so I think we can conclude now. So Devinder, can you start?
Okay, friends, we had a very fruitful discussion and it was a smooth discussion. We agreed that unemployment, there is a substitute for unemployment, and that is the self-employment. Although we cannot totally come into self-employment or totally into jobs, there should be a balance between self-employment and unemployment. We all discussed in this way. We talked about online education, we talked about retail shops, we talked about some startups and how they groomed and did well. We talked about how the farming sector is also a part of self-employment. So it was a fruitful discussion and we came up very much fruitful points also. Thank you.
Okay, Ram, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, everyone, I take this opportunity to conclude our discussion. Friends, we have a good discussion and we could reach to some of the consensus. We talk about the government policy that is used to improve our skill, like Skill Up India. Second, we talk about business startups, that what can be done to start up a business and get investment from them, from others. And third, we talk about self-employment at small level, that become a start a local business at own place to get self-employment. And third, the most important thing that I learned from this discussion is that being an unemployment is being a small shop owner is much important than an unemployment person, because we can live our own condition, but we have to compromise with some standard living, some standard livelihood. That's all from my side.
Okay. So now Shubham.
So thank you for giving me opportunity to conclude the topic. So conclusion is that India is a developing country. The meaning of developing country means there are many opportunities. There are many in many parts we can get the same employment. So with our mind and technology, we can get the same employment. We can get our same. We can take the same employment in next level. So the conclusion in this topic we got is that the same employment is the really solution to the unemployment in India. Thank you.
Okay. So let me give you the feedback of this topic. This topic is very important topic, I tell you, self-employment and unemployment. See, in these kind of topics, the best starting you can do is related to the topic itself. You could have defined what is the situation of unemployment in India and in which domains, which sectors. So unemployment is not only in the educated people, it is in the illiterate people also, or less educated people also. So unemployment is a general problem of India, and then self-employment means doing something of your own. So self-employment is always option for highly educated people like IIMS graduate or IIT graduates, and it is for even less educated or no educated people like illiterate people also. So if I have no education and I'm taking care of my farms or I'm opening my shop, so that is a self-employment. So self-employment, you do not need to basically have the formal education for self-employment. In fact, different kind of skills are required for self-employment. And in India, if you see the entire education system, then skill enhancement or having the skills is the main limitation. There is a reason our universities are producing engineers in lakhs of numbers, but they are not industry ready engineers. On the other hand, we get thousands of electrical engineers, but we do not get a single electrician. So if you advertise a post for electrical engineer, thousands will apply. But if you ask, we need electrician, you will not get electrician at home. You don't get plumber, you don't get carpenter. That means skill enhancement is something which is missing part. So self-employment certainly is something which do not require formal education, and that is the best part of it. And self-employment, some skills are required, some ecosystem is required, some government support is required. And if those things are there, then obviously people can go for it. And self-employment is supposed to be the best form of employment, because if you have your owner, you know, you are your own owner, you are not working anybody, and those are the advantage of this. But yes, it is a little risky also. So when you start discussing it, that, unemployment, India unemployment is very, very high. Why? Because the employer, people look for the employment in government sector or in organized sector, and then in unorganized small scale sectors. Now, government cannot basically provide the jobs to everyone, because government jobs are shrinking, public sector jobs are shrinking. Government cannot provide the employment to everyone, especially the government departments. They are basically not run on profit motive. So there the losses are incurred on those particular fronts. So it is not sustainable. Similarly, public sectors, if public sector jobs we talk about, they are also, if they are incurring losses, they cannot sustain. So government itself is planning now from public sector to private sector, that transition is going on. So we cannot expect much government jobs. On the other hand, the formal large sectors, organized sectors are also not in India as of now in that particular big number that it can solve the problems. So now the larger employment is in unorganized sector or in the small scale sector. So this self-employment is the only option. And in fact, it is the very good option. So what is to be done is, like, skill is to be enhanced of the people who want to go for these particular jobs. And the best part is, from very less education or no education to very high education, self-employment is a problem. If you talk about employment, then some education is required. Formal education is required. But if you talk about self-employment, skill is required. And skill is as per your temperament. If you are having skill only to, as a carpenter, you can become a very good carpenter. If you are having skill to make tea, you can have a tea shop. So that is also employment, you know. So depending upon your temperament and your caliber and your capability, you can employ yourself. And for that, now what is required is a good ecosystem. Ecosystem where this kind of culture is promoted. And government is to play a very crucial role in that. Civil societies are to play a crucial role in that. NGOs are to play a crucial role in this. And educational institutes also is to play a very crucial role in this. And the role of ITIs, the training institute, industrial training institutes, role of diploma colleges, role of engineering colleges, role of all these institutes come there. So you need to have some kind of finishing schools or something like that, you know. So instead of getting the certificates of formal education or theoretical education, India as of now requires the knowledge of these kind of skills. If a person is basically trained in computer operator or something like that, and he gets a job, that is very good. A person is trained as a mechanic, very good. If a mechanic on his own shop is in position to earn 40,000-50,000 rupees monthly, what else is required? This is how we have to proceed forward in these particular domains. So self-employment, yes, is a solution to unemployment. Not only solution, wherever we have seen in developed countries, whatever countries are developed countries, the share of self-employment is very high. People do not depend or over-depend upon government or organized sector. People depend upon them, and then they make themselves capable. That is how this all will be done. And once somebody is self-employed, his next generation also get ensured employment. Because if father is running a shop, his son will run the shop. But if father is doing a government job, his son may not get the government job. So that particular thing is also there. So it is a, it's a chain process. On the continuous basis, your unemployment problem can be solved. That is how it is to be done. So you could have discussed on those particular lines, and this is what is to be done. Now, Ram gave some kind of classification. Devendra also gave some kind of classification. Shubham did not give any classification. Ram said, is it necessary everyone to have self-employment or something? That kind of classification it gave. In my opinion, the classification could have been that, okay, first you could have defined what is self-employment, and then you could have defined about, yes, how it can solve the problem of unemployment. So you could have divided it into two categories. You could have said that, okay, our entire discussion will be on two lines. Number one, why why there is a problem of unemployment in India. That is number one. Why there is a problem of unemployment in India. And second is, what is the advantage of self-employment and how it can solve the problem of unemployment. तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? स्किल नहीं है हमारे पास. नंबर टू, एम्प्लॉयर भी नहीं है हमारे पास, ना स्किल है ना एम्प्लॉयर है. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में क्या कर सकते हैं? आप खुद के एम्प्लॉयर हो, एंड स्किल आपको एनहांस करनी है, वो एजुकेशन से नहीं आएगा. So this is how you are to basically divide this entire topic, and then you have to discuss. Is this clear to all of us now here? Anything you want to ask now?
Yes.
Anything you want to ask?
सर ये जो मतलब नॉर्मल टॉपिक होता है, जैसे ये आज का टॉपिक था, तो सर इसमें थोड़ा वो क्लासिफिकेशन देने में समझता नहीं कि सर क्लासिफिकेशन देना कैसे है. इधर थोड़ा दिक्कत है.
आप क्लासिफिकेशन कंपोनेंट मत सोचो. क्लासिफिकेशन आप ये दे सकते थे कि सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, यू कुड हैव सेड कि यस दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी relevant topic and it is based upon the real life issue in the country. Add certain things. Friends, the topic for the discussion today given is self-employment is the solution to unemployment in India. In my opinion, this is a very very relevant topic, and this topic focus on the real problem prevailing in India. And I'm very sure all of us have very relevant points to provide here, and there will be some kind of thought-provoking points from your side. So now, friends, first let me discuss situation of unemployment. First, we should see unemployment scale in India, which is alarmingly high. If you have some data, you can quote. Now we should, I think we should discuss this entire topic on two lines. Number one, why there is unemployment in India, and how self-employment can solve that. ये तो classification हो गया. Why that is there and how self-employment can solve that. So why there is unemployment? फिर discuss करते जाओ कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब नहीं दे सकती, बड़ा सेक्टर जॉब नहीं दे सकता, बिजनेसेस चल नहीं रहे हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट्स नहीं चल रही हैं, एंड देन सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्यों सॉल्यूशन दे सकता है. तो आप बोलोगे कि उसमें क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए, इलिटरेट. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की प्रॉब्लम कौन से लेवल पे है? एजुकेटेड लेवल पे भी है, अनएजुकेटेड लेवल पे भी है. और एम्प्लॉयमेंट किसको मिल सकती है? एजुकेटेड लेवल पे मिल सकती है. जो बिल्कुल अनपढ़ आदमी है उसको भी तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए, लेकिन उसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल नहीं सकती क्योंकि उसके पास एजुकेशन नहीं है. तो उसको स्किल एनहांस करनी पड़ेगी, उसको सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट की तरफ जाना पड़ेगा. ऐसे फिर आगे डिस्कस करते जाओ आप. दैट इज हाउ यू कैन डू दैट, राइट. क्लासिफिकेशन तो मिल जाता है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. यू नीड टू डू प्रैक्टिस, दैट्स इट, राइट.
यस सर. सर मैंने एक दो दोस्तों से बात की थी, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल से ये वो, तो सर उन्होंने बोला था कि मोस्ट ऑफ मतलब 2-3 ही HR क्वेश्चन पूछते वो, और बाकी पूरा टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट पे ही रहता है.
ओके.
तो सर अब ये मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट का सर क्या क्या करना, मतलब
नहीं, जितना मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट दिया उसको तो देख ही लेना.
हाँ सर, वो तो पूरा
राम एक्चुअली होता पता क्या है राम के, मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट का तो टेक्निकल, मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में क्या पूछ रहे हैं टेक्निकल? यू आर सेइंग इलेक्ट्रिकल?
नो सर, मतलब आज इलेक्ट्रिकल वालों का था,
तो मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट तो वो मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट ही पूछेगा ना.
हाँ यस सर.
इलेक्ट्रिकल में तो इलेक्ट्रिकल ही पूछेगा.
यस सर, वही सर. मतलब फिर मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में जितना आपने भेजा बस उतना ही मतलब अच्छे से
आपको इट इज नॉट नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, इट इज 2-3 क्वेश्चंस में ही इंपैक्ट डाल सकता है एचआर में. वही वो टू ज्वाइन एनएमडीसी, अगर वो उसको अच्छा लग गया, क्योंकि जो चेयरमैन होता है ना नॉर्मली नॉन टेक्निकल होता है वो, और नंबर उसी के हाथ से जाते हैं, और वो एचआर क्वेश्चन को बहुत सीरियसली लेता है. That separates you from others. So it is not 2 or 3 questions, it is what answer you are hitting, that's it.
Okay,
right?
Yes.
Anything else you want to ask?
And sir एक और सर सबको इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए टाइम दे रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
तो सर तो हम लोग मतलब कोई एक तो इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं करेगा, तो सर फिर लास्ट की लाइन में क्या करें? जैसे आई ओपन द हाउस फॉर डिस्कशन, तो अब वो बोल नहीं सकते, तो सर उसके जगह मतलब क्या यूज करें एंड करने के लिए कि वो अच्छा भी लगे?
No friends, after this introduction I am very sure when we discuss there will be a lot of relevant points from your side also, and I'm sure we will have a great discussion तो होता ही है उसके बाद.
ओके, मतलब नॉर्मल सेंटेंस बोल के उसको एंड कर दें. थैंक यू.
ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स? Okay, then I think you you must have noted down these points, and just keep revising and keep noting down the important relevant topics also, which we have uploaded on your PDF, right?
सर एक और क्वेश्चन था सर. एक और सर वो एक और जीटी टॉपिक था फ्यूचर ऑफ एआई. तो सर उसमें कैसे हम डिवाइड कर सकते थे, मतलब डायरेक्शन कैसे दे सकते थे कि उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, what are the advantages?
Economy and technology are closely related.
Yes.
Economic growth and technology are closely related. And whenever new technology comes, there opportunities come. Like if you go a couple of decades back, then IT was a new technology. Information technology was a new technology. And India made a big name in that and big economic development. Now the new domain is artificial intelligence. It is going to revolutionize every business. And then you talk about the applications. So artificial intelligence is a technology and its application into different domains. That is artificial intelligence in this, artificial intelligence in this. This is how you should discuss. Right?
Okay. Thank you.